Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Bloxforge.com all over gaming forums, TikTok and Roblox communities, people claiming they're generating free Robux, boosting game assets, or automating rewards with just a few clicks. The website promotes itself as a fast, safe and working tool for players who want in-game currency without spending real money. But here's the real question. Is Bloxforge still working in 2026, or is it just another risky generator that could get your account flagged, banned, or worse, scammed? Today we're putting it to the test. To understand whether Bloxforge is legitimate, I analyzed how the website functions, checked its user patterns, tested its process with a controlled account, reviewed security behaviors, and compared it to previous Roblox generator scams. I also examined Roblox's updated 2026 security policies to see how they respond to third-party currency tools. Combining these checks gives us the most accurate and honest breakdown of whether Bloxforge actually works or if it's a digital trap. Bloxforge claims to generate free Robux, work on any Roblox account, require no downloads, no risk, bypass Roblox's anti-cheat systems, deliver fast, safe currency in minutes, be 100% working in 2026. Big promises, especially for something Roblox officially prohibits. Step 1. How Bloxforge operates. The site follows the typical generator pattern. You enter your Roblox username, select the amount of Robux you want, and then the system triggers a verification step. This is already a warning sign since Roblox does not allow external sites to inject currency. Step 2. Verification process. Bloxforge uses surveys, app installs, and reward wall tasks as verification. Completing these tasks benefits the advertisers, not the user. After finishing tasks, no Robux were delivered. This behavior mirrors classic incentive-based scam structures. Step 3. Account safety. Roblox's current security automatically flags suspicious login attempts or third-party interactions. Using generators like this can trigger account restrictions, temporary locks, forced password resets. In worst cases, full bans. Even attempting to use a generator puts your account at risk, since Roblox explicitly forbids it. Step 4. User reports in 2026. Patterns show the same outcomes. No Robux delivered, endless verification loops, users receiving spam emails afterward, some reporting unusual login attempts. This makes Bloxforge not only ineffective, but potentially dangerous. Step 5. No transparency. The website does not list its owners, company address, support email, or legal disclaimers. Sites that handle virtual currency generation without transparency often operate solely to gather data and generate ad revenue. Step 6. Technical reality. No website can inject Robux into an account. Robux can only be issued through Roblox's official purchase system, premium payouts, developer exchange. Any site claiming otherwise is automatically suspicious. Step 7. Final functionality. Check after multiple tests the outcome is the same. Bloxforge does not generate Robux and does not function as advertised in 2026. It is a task farm, nothing more. So is Bloxforge.com still working in 2026? No, it does not work. And even worse, it poses risks. You might try it if you want to waste time on surveys. Don't mind sharing your data with unknown parties, but you should avoid it if you value, à cause d'arty, your Roblox account, your privacy, your security, your time. Bloxforge isn't a functional Robux generator. It's a try-or-die situation where the only thing dying is your account safety. If this honest review helped you understand the truth behind Bloxforge.com, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We bring you real product breakdowns every week, so you always know what's real and what's a risk.